The final step in our avatar project is to put our movie title, the avatar, on our avatar. We're going to use our text tool. So click on the T on your toolbar. The font that we're going to use is called Papyrus. So we're going to find Papyrus. We want the text to be in white. We're going to make it 72 point. And remember, when you're using text, just left click once and then you start typing. We're going to put it in all caps. AVATAR. I'm going to use my arrow tool to move it, kind of center it where I want it. And then in a smaller font, I would then like to put my name on this. So in the same font, but a smaller size, I'm going to put my name. So I'm going to go back to my text tool, and let's try 30 points. Oops, I wanted to undo that editor. I want to do a new line of text. 30 point. And I want Mrs. Baxter. I'm still not quite done. I would like to do an outer glow to this as well. We can do the same layer and layer style, but the other way that we can do this, we can click on the text that you want to put a layer style on and use the FX at the bottom of your layers panel, and you'll find outer glow there as well. And you can leave opacity at 75% if you want, but that will put an outer glow on that that text. I'm going to add that to my name as well. And that is how you add the movie title, Avatar, to your projects. You're going to go ahead and file save. If you are completely done and happy with this, you can also flatten your layers. So layer, flatten image. And it goes down to one layer. And then I also want to remind you that when you go to turn anything in, you'll also want to save as a JPEG. So File, Save As, and you'll want to put this in your Z drive as well. This is File, Save As, put it in your Z drive, your Video Web and More folder. And then again, I have a Photoshop folder, and leave it named the same, but you'll pull this format down and change it to a JPEG and hit save, and then press OK. Typically when you hand things in, I'll ask you to hand things in both as a Photoshop project and a JPEG.